Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, let's learn a Python program, that is write a Python program to display power of 2 using anonymous functions. So anonymous functions are also known as lambda functions. So whenever you require a need of a function having single line, so you can use the lambda functions. So the specialty of lambda function is it has only one line of code. So let's try to write a anonymous functions or the lambda function to get the power of, that is 2 power, and let's try to solve this. So let me take a variable, that is a function variable power equals to, so let me use lambda and lambda of x. So x is a argument, that is input argument. So you have to return the 2 raised to power of x. So this is the return value of the lambda function. So now what we'll be doing is, so we have to ask a user to enter the number of terms. So that is a integer type. So let me take a variable number and using the input function call. So let's ask user to enter number of terms. Yeah, so once the user enters the value, so it will be of string format. So let's convert it into integer using the type conversion. So now we have to print all the 2 powers. So let's try to use the for loop and iterate from 0 to, that is a 0 to the number. So let's use for loop for index in, let's use range and iterate up to number plus 1. So we need the number as well, so outbound value. So let's consider number plus 1 over here. So once that is done, so let's try to take another variable, that is result equals to power of, that is, let's give index over here. So we are iterating from 0 to number plus 1 and calculating the 2 power. And now so let's try to use print statement. So let's use print formatting and let's try to print 2 and raised to power of the index is equals to, so let's print the result. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program to display power of 2 using anonymous function. So let me execute this and let me show you how it works. So enter number of terms. I need 5 terms. So you can see that 2 raised to power of 0 is 1, then 2, 4, 8, 16 up to 2 raised to power of 5 is equals to 32. Running it again. Now let's give something like 32. So you can see 2 raised to power of 32 is approx this value. And you can see it has been printed, that is from 0 to up to 32. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program to display power of 2 using anonymous function. So I'll give this code in the description of this video. So that's it in this video. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Bye.